Well, hello, welcome back. Just doing a video on the gates we put up here. So I got the gates and the hardware for the gates at Tractor Supply, galvanized gates. But I was going to do a 16-footer, but I decided I needed 4-foot wire, so I got 210s. And they're lightweight, but they're only going to deter people anyways. If they want in, they're going to get in. But the hardware I got from Tractor Supply was those bolt hinges, extra long. You can get different sizes too. You can get really long, I think up to 8 inches, 8 or 12, I'm not sure. That's the hardware there. It came with the screw ones that go in wood, but I bought these ones. Got 4 of them. Bottom one's pointed up, top one's pointed down to lock it in. I got a chain on it yet, or lock. It's in the truck. But, you know, I had the steel 4x4s, 2 bags of concrete from Lowe's. Augured that hole, put the post in, put a level on it. Try to make sure the heights were just about the same. Put 5 gallons of water in it, covered it back up. Put everything together. Waited like 20 minutes for it to set up. These are just fence posts here. How as rocky as it here, I just augured them too. They're kind of chintzy, but they work. You know, they'll get a little bit stiffer as it goes and water comes down through. We haven't had any rain or anything. So from Amazon, I got the solar light toppers up here for 4x4 posts, and they fit just perfect on a 4x4. They're not very bright, but I just need a topper part. I didn't feel like welding the cap on top because I'm lazy. And I got these from Amazon. They're gate holders. Two of those. It wasn't too bad. So I told Ari that I wanted to get a 16-footer. Was, I think it was $300 or $290 or something, and it'd be about $400 or $500 when we get done. Then I got there thinking about, well, you know, 16-footer ain't wide enough. I'd like to get 210s. I'm glad I did. Otherwise, that'd have been 4 foot over this way, or 2 foot this way, and then 2 more foot this way. But anyway, I ended up being around $700 when we got done. We bought some other stuff too, but well worth it. I suggest getting these things here. If you can get them level and have them where they just stay where you put them, it makes it a lot easier. You know, get them level. The other thing too is we put the cable on here. Just tie it around the bottom, put a saddle on it, turnbuckle. See, we got it pretty well. We got it pretty well straight and tight. Not straight, but we got it tight, and I still have plenty of room. Tighten it up. And then up top, we just took it there. Does a good job. Pulled it up a little bit, not a lot, but then these things here. And I said, wow, that's kind of rattly and loose. I said, yeah, it's Harry's gate chime. So, and I got 2 of them. It just helps out, makes it easier to hold them open and stuff. To get those, really nice to have. I put them up high. This side's a lot higher, you can see when it's open because of the grade. But you know, when you unlock, just swing them open, they're open. And if you get them level, they'll stay closed enough for you to go get your chain and lock. So, but she loves them, and she loves them. I like them, and like I said, it's not gonna keep everybody out, but hey, I got a surveillance camera up there in the window, and like I said, whoever's gonna really want to get in can get in anyways. It don't matter. So, all right. Hey, thank you for watching. If you would subscribe and like, you know, I'm gonna try and get it where I can show you the work too. But I'm still working on that. I'll have a drone here pretty soon. We're gonna do some brush hogging next week, and I'm gonna get some more cameras, you know. But like I said, subscribe if you can. So, all right. God bless. Thank you.